Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable call forwarding on your Android phone. So open your system settings app, use the search bar in the top and search for call forwarding. And you'll be able to view the supplementary services where the call bearing, call forwarding, and call waiting are available. If you have 2 SIM cards, it will display you each section of each SIM card. So select call forwarding. And here select allow in the bottom. And when you do it, you'll see options to forward calls under different conditions like always, when busy, when unanswered, or when unreachable. Ensure that no phone number is entered for any of these conditions and delete any existing numbers. By removing the phone numbers, you prevent your calls from being forwarded. Your calls will now come directly to your phone. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.